C-drop. Okay, we're at 2901. Sure you guys caught the rest of that. So what we were just in before was PVC. We must be exiting the house at this point because it's in cast iron. I don't know if I can make that. Yeah. Because it's kind of, see how it's dangling?
Yeah.
Okay, we made it.
Yeah, now you're coming off the street.
Oh boy. So this appears to be Orangeburg. Yeah, this is Orangeburg. Which... I'm turning the microphones back on. So yeah, this is definitely going to be Orangeburg. Exiting house. You can see how it's starting to cave in from the left-hand side of the screen.
Probably when they redid the driveway,
So yeah, there's a small section of PVC going back to Orangeburg, and I can't get past this point, so this is as far as I can go. I'm going to go ahead and locate this spot. Okay, so this is where I can't push any further. They've done some kind of repair over here, and we're going back to Orangeburg. I'm gonna try to pull the Orangeburg as far as I can. I'm gonna have to get off the roof. Yeah, I'll call you back one. We got a pretty bad rainstorm coming in. So now we're basically right in line of where the stack is. I suggest getting it replaced from underneath the house to the city tap because of it being Orangeburg. I did not see where the city tap marking is on this side of the street, but they have it on the other side, so you probably want to get a hold of the city. They have them locate where the city tap is so you can rerun the outside of the sewer because it is Orangeburg.